I'm of the view that the application ought to be fully heard on its merits.
Evans Kidero is still the governor of Nairobi after the Supreme Court suspended Tuesday's nullification of his election and barred the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission from declaring the seat vacant. The reinstatement was made after Kidero's lawyer Tom Ojienda filed an urgent application seeking to reverse his ouster. In his ruling on Wednesday, Justice Mohammed Ibrahim said Kidero had raised serious aspects of law which needed to be addressed. He declared that the application will now be heard inter partes, while stating that the Speaker of the County Assembly cannot assume the seat of governor pending the hearing. He thereby temporarily stayed the ruling of the Court of Appeal, while stating that Kidero should be given a chance to argue his case.
I hereby grant prayers 2, 4, and 5 of the notice of motion dated May 2014, pending the inter partes hearing of the motion. And those orders specifically are that a conservatory order of stay of the entire judgment and orders of the Court of Appeal issued in Civil Appeal number 324 of 2013 on 13th of May 2014 do issue pending the hearing and determination of the application hearing inter partes. Secondly, that the second respondent herein is restrained from certifying the gubernatorial seat of Nairobi County vacant, pending the hearing and determination of the application inter partes. And 5, that the Speaker of the County Assembly of Nairobi, or any other person for that matter, is hereby restrained from assuming the office of the Governor of Nairobi County, pending the hearing and the hearing inter partes of the notice of motion.
During his submissions, Ojienda had opined that there was risk the Nairobi County Assembly Speaker would assume the governor's office unless a restraining order was issued. He, however, expressed satisfaction following Ibrahim's ruling and was confident of a win during the hearing. Kidero's case will now be heard on May 23rd.
Today we have obtained conservatory orders before Judge Ibrahim, and therefore Evans Kidero and his deputy continue to be governor and deputy governor of Nairobi County. The matter will come up for further hearing on the 23rd of May. So I think for those who thought that it was over, it is not over.
Kidero was on Tuesday kicked out as governor of Nairobi by the Court of Appeal following a petition filed by former Assistant Minister Ferdinand Waititu. I'm Kidero for Capital TV.